online commentator and activist Martins Vincent Otse, widely known as VeryDarkman (VDM), has responded to a statement made by the Sultan of Sokoto Alhaji Muhammadu Abubakar III regarding social media. In a video that has since gone viral, the Sultan likened social media to a terrorist organization. Expressing concerns over the unchecked spread of misinformation, he urged security agencies to take steps to mitigate its harmful effect on society. Social media acts like a terrorist group. People sit comfortably in their homes, create stories and spread them, even when they are completely false. The Sultan
What happened has happened, and it's there written. You can't come and be through social media. So that's one terrorist organization, social media. Social media is a terrorist organization. What they do, put somebody in his comfort room and formulate stories, and you will swear that it's true. So social media is a terrorist organization that we must deal with. Security agencies must deal with this terrorist organization called social media. So we're not happy with what's been happening either on the plateau or other places.
Reacting to this, VeryDarkman shared a video where he respectfully criticized the Sultan's stance. He explained that such a whipping generalization is disheartening to individuals like him who use social media to champion justice and raise awareness on critical issues.
So basically now, he has started a campaign against social media. That's just the start of a campaign against social media. If you remember, they're already pushing for a bill that was led by Ned Nwoko. I saw it online. Led by Ned Nwoko, that social media should be regulated. So now this man don't join in voice as the Sultan of Sokoto. They are slowly strengthening it. So they are moving towards regulating social media. Now, sir, I want to understand that because of your reason you gave, that somebody can just sit down inside his house and make a publication, a false publication, and then that is injurious. Yes, you are right on that part. A lot of people take advantage of social media. But if that is your reason for calling social media a terrorist organization, then I would say you are emotional. You know, I would just say Nigerians should not be angry because our father just spoke out of emotions. Maybe somebody somewhere made a publication about him or some of his friends that he knows maybe it is not true. So it got him in the mood to say, okay, you know what? Social media is a terrorist group.
While VDM comment has sparked debate online, with many Nigerians dropping how they feel about the statement, what do you think about Sultan of Sokoto's statement? Drop your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.